President's utterances enjoin us to unite behind NHI and work effectively to transform the South African healthcare system. The people of KwaZulu-Natal are already reaping benefits of NHI because chairperson NHI is not just about hospitals. It's not just about sleeping in a hospital. It's not just about utilizing a clinic that is private or a hospital that is private. But NHI is about the whole system that is accessible to those that are previously disadvantaged. Yingakho sihlalo right now sesibona kukhona odokotela emaklinika kahulumeni abafika provide i-service kubantu bakithi mahala bengakhokhanga. That is part of NHI. In as much as into yamabhedlela i-NHI, but those services are also part of NHI. Through NHI, we have managed to upgrade healthcare facilities in this province, ensuring that hospitals and clinics are better equipped to handle the needs of the people. Dr. Pixlika Isaka Seme Memorial Hospital is one such facility. Abantu bakithi sebekwazi ukusizwa ama-truck sihlalo anodokotela bamazinyo, odokotela bamehlo mahala. Lama-truck asondele eduze kwabo lapho besuke bekhona badingi bona ukuthi baze baye emaklinikhi. Iyona NHI leyo isho njalo ithi ama-services awaye kubantu.